So in lieu of this month's regularly scheduled video, we usually have something of an install or new products at Ford or whatever. Instead of that, we are actually at Driven today, so there won't be a major video this month. This is just a little filler to have the monthly upload and to explain why there's no major video this time around. So we're all here today. We will have some videos coming on that, of the installs for the show, and then otherwise it's just going to be all the coverage from this event. So by the time this video goes up, a day or two after, we should have the first part of the Driven coverage live, and then we'll continue from there until the end, and then get back to regularly scheduled programming. So that's it for today. Head on over to the blog for all the Driven coverage coming up. And as always, thank you for watching.